Green Select Glucometer from Costless Ventures. Safidi kitoya etimimpo esho botomi ebwa mahunu sugar level abribia. Wana ho diabetes anayaria hodwa emma sugar level. Esote wo brano no. Safidi ebe bonka ye baby bia wo bia no wada wonso akohu doctor ntem na wo dry bitimi ama blood sugar no aye pepepe. With Green Select blood glucose monitoring system, you get your test results in 5 seconds. Annual 5 seconds per now results are ready. And it's suitable for persons of all age. Na ne boaso de Call Costless Ventures now on 0205-915-315. Green Select Glucometer, the best. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA. Emretudo nani etena kamu kwanting akotonyo mabegu ye shop mu so benya ni nyina ofako enno so ya asem foforo o so to mfa sika swane ne mpatemu anase achimota la pass ekosinsa Jimmy Dale is your one-stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insure, enyane, anasa adebia wo pebia. So ukoton kwadia enye bebia wo se wutumwa eye Jimmy Dale. You can locate Jimmy Dale Ventures at Jiga Junction inside Soto or call us now on 0208-920-996. Jimmy Dale Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
So, this is Vitamilk presents Citation of Honor in recognition of your commitment to excellence within the media landscape. We appreciate you for your exemplary role in mentoring many within your sphere of influence. Samuel Etobi Ba. And a picture and a book.
Let me see Bekumi. Let me see Boko there.
All right, so you better with ya. Me who be my friends.
Oh, Fasia, Humberto. NCAA. I don't pass to kita through the show now.
Me na social media. And I mean who microphone be post way I didn't know how it came through.
Okay.
They didn't send it fully through. They didn't send it by. But then it's a great honor. In fact, me who you crap or no, but the chair poppy, my father.
Hey.
Oh yes, you were you mono.
Wow. Now no also ne yire no na ode. You know, vitamin questions as of day.
I should say for today.
Mape girl for from Manana.
Oh, there be a young on me. It's not baby.
What is Tina Nemano?
Oh, me ma.
What the fuck? Tina, bro.
In fact, let me just reveal this one. Daddy, Mr. Yakumi Anson, is a great fan. Trust me, no two ways about it. Not because Ebi Amewa has said it.
Oh, Papa.
It's been, yes.
Wow.
It's been. It's your whole way, you know, it was kind of an excitement for all of us.
Wow. What's your name, Mr. Kumi?
Yes.
Mr. Kumi, shout out to Mr. Kumi. Shout out.
Once again.
And Chebe, my girl, 9 years. Oh, they are warm your bed, kaka. No shaking. They are any yeah, boys never saw him. See how they say free range. Yeah, free range.
All right, so Kabiana, officially congratulations on some.
Thank you.
Segment of Samiflex.
And let me say something briefly about this. When I got invitation to be part of the Father's Day event by Vitamilk, even now I thought say one of those events I inviting media personality. Oh, so Brana, Mumna Mekava like because I'm bring me invitation in my office at Xylophone Media. One of the days, my porn program now we're saying a Vitamilk show. Okay. Oh, brass, I'm in the show the more so I thought so. The normal media invite. But if I knew it was going to be an analyst, I can now call you. No, if I knew not, let's be very honest. If I knew, say, I can come.
Yes.
The cameras be 5. And I mean, call me piano cameras. Wage now. But I didn't know. It means I made me manako party be or Trazalco, me free Trazalco. I'm saying my main rushing call. Program can be changed. Almost start the program. Mama say program best start. I think say 1 or something. We do almost 4. Yeah. either 4 or after 4. It me drew a nice a program na start here so. And they honored just 2 people on the day. Uncle Ebo White and myself. So when the man mentioned Uncle Ebo White, we and the two, I think so journalist from Benny and Yachom.
Yes.
I say, wow, the next person is a medium. So wow. In fact, me too, and I'm a shock but yeah, the Vim Nantikwaji.
You could see that.
Yeah. The Vim Nantikwaji. But Charlie, big up to Vitamilk. They say they more or less like ambassadors for Vitamilk, you know. But be an Mbiana, you know, Vitamilk, and you know, be an Vitamilk. Cup, oh, cheers. Yes, a cheers. Oh, when your cup, oh, cheers. I don't know. In this year, there's their own moon.
I say. We are careful.
It's not been so when you know. Oh, yeah, this year. It's been breaking news.
Okay, so I hope you have a great weekend. And then Monday, you saw it in Mudia now. The Acosta entertainment industry, money I could pick in here, Bremo.
Yeah.
For Richie the Finest Boy Flex, the digital Rasta, Lapiji in Team with Mo, Tina Baby Sexy Dondon, and our you know, the Beef Nation President, Nana Reagan. Roland Ni Amate, I'm not sure Sabia or Kambina, a day in Manina, and then tonight, I'm not trying to producer.
Yeah, and I check.
Industry, Pipi.
And I check.
Yes, yes, once again, congratulations.
All right, me that's me.
Okay, now you move on to business.
Yeah.
Last 2 weeks. Yeah, waha. And yeah. VGMA experience concert. Yeah. Mokobi. It was super. Yes. Now the VGA, 22nd edition of it. It's coming on this Saturday. Yeah, Friday and Saturday, as a matter of fact. 25th, 26th. Now, so Saturday now, so your mommy, you know. Wow. Saturday, there'll be Nina busy. Okay. Now, but there's one thing I'm realizing. I'm sure, say, Obi or Shemi Wabonti on this one. Then this will ADHB. Now, you share the king of the Sac natives, Sarkodie, Michael Owusu Ado. The DAPM Artist of the Year, and apart from that, we was also in a couple of nominations. Now, but before Minim Sarkodie, you do Honoma, the way you are JJ Nyama win awards in the BBC. But this time round, okay, TM said Saknya nomination in Artist of the Year, Vodafone Most Popular Song of the Year, Best Hip Life of the Year, Best Hip Life Song. And our collaboration of the year. That's been our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Wow. Yes. That's big. Yes, it's very big. But this time around, me who said Sarkodie, Eden Hwaba, vote for me like the way he used to. And apart from that, Yembra platforms, media space. Okay. Me who said, and also better crap now, very few and a little as compared to before. Okay. The media pundits, they will come more ceremony. Sarkodie. Would you say it's because much anticipated, no pressure album, need to stay away now? Okay, I know one factor, but not all the factors. First of all, I can say, and come on, the hit or miss in Komo. Okay. I'm going to say it the way I have observed the industry over the years and the way I see Brand Sarkodie. That's why I've said, say, Asman Babekano, a hit or miss conversation, and I admit. If I hit, I hit. If I miss, I miss, which is part of projections. Only projections that is the mindset. Yeah. You either project to hit or you project to miss, and I'm ready to put myself out as a sacrificial lamb for this. First, about conversations Kwaswa Sarkodie ni brand no e bin shedanim nasifo. First point, the fan base. Okay. Fan base, at the moment they are not showing interest, and I've spoken to some key fan base guys are more SAC natives. In fact, personally, I'm a SAC native. That is what most people don't know. I'm a SAC native. I'm in some of their groups. I have conversations with them. I'm an SM fan. Me SM Nema. Me ne bim for na. Omo de me kase. I want to be part of them. Omo yo mo star bi. And Tom yo star bi na me so respectfully and humbly me train me ho kakra bi. But like I'm saying, I'm a SAC native. I'm a high grader. Yes, I'm also a high grader. I'm also part of the high grade groups. And I'm an SM. I also have some of the SM groups. Not the main ones, but some selected ones. I am part of it.
And one, the fan base, the guys in there, they've told me point blank say, in fact, awards this year, I'm interest akofom. I'm interest akofom. Now I'm interest akofom a big jina dear back person. You find say my club as a Sami Flex Nation.
Yeah.
Bibi Basona me man show interest so adia me ye manage home bia moamia.
Yeah.
No one will even show interest.
Yeah,
but when they see Basame is showing interest, they will do it. And fans says vitamin for me and a citation. Maybe I told on WhatsApp page, oh guys help me share. And I think they have been amazing. Big ups to them, Sami Flex Nation. Big ups everywhere. I'm sure that this morning vitamin for our social media handlers, they will be shocked that what is happening because too many.
Yeah.
Too many. Everywhere they will be getting it. And see, that is point one. The king, King Sakno, is not showing interest. And Tomo fans and also interested. That is why Sarko just named in the conversations here and then in our own count. But the question is, why is he not interested? And I had them say, what I'm about to say is either going to hit or it's either going to miss. One, Ubisa said, could it be said ne album ne kahwana? At this stage, at this particular stage, ne album ne kahon kakra.
Okay.
Okay, unim so to coin and seeing call land ne kakra ko DM says 1 week be and less than that. And then I binya information say wabedru a Ghana.
Okay.
Okoye no, Okoye final touches to his album. Who follow new social media be say one of the studio sessions are me so be Okoye final mixing and mastering. Omo videos be by unim sack or packaging video, a branding fine, Eddie Beto abonting, and I saw say oh the guy is working. As a matter of fact, I never even expected say he was coming very soon. I thought say be back when Vodafone Ghana Music House granny and then me information so abano. And the big man hint so abane me there because come at the time I say oh ni kromu akroba I was in Gopoma. Come on, yes information I swear I can say that. Yes, as he is not even coming because he's working on his album. But honestly, this is what I see and this is what I think. I see say Sarkodie is supporting Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale.
Sarkodie is supporting Stonebwoy and Shatta. And
let me put it right. Maybe the word there is not supporting, but sympathizing. I can also use that word. That Sarkodie is sympathizing with Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale. But I know Sarkodie, he will say it.
In reference to the grudge about Stonebwoy and Shatta.
No, in reference to a sideline na Shatta House for and our VGMA a sidelining Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale. Okay. Because if you follow the thing well, since I sidelining Stonebwoy and a Shatta Wale, no, that was when Sarkodie's interest in the VGMAs waned. Since then, Sarkodie ain't show interest in VGMA, no. But knowing Sarkodie, it is something you do subtly. On any man, you say no, Sarkodie won't say that. He won't say that. Yeah. Last year was not me here. Now me sit me well or tell me when he sit Sarkodie and I be a manager. Me who a power reservation. Sarkodie never showed up. Yes, Sarkodie never showed up. Later I saw some of his team members came, but Sarkodie himself didn't show up. On the day sooner, I was no SWV. Now Ubia things will be winning artist of the year. SWV called Kwame Eugene. And again, Sami awards organizer. Everyone say Sami Flex, vitamin from Zababe now. And on the day, let me be very honest. On the day, Omo friend is about 10 a.m. was on friend me. Boss, and a soft reminder of the program. And I'll come. Me program and because me banner be and push me na be cross me kakra bia hey on the day almost friend me Sami ko see me ma wo trasa ko ne su to me ho no ma friend oh boss are you coming? So I'm coming. I never knew this. If I had not showed up everyone can come mention come guys oh we were going to honor Sami Flex but he did not come no come mention.
Yeah, very true.
Cause they just put it there. If you later oh you didn't come we are going to honor you maybe your master you know oh I missed out. And Sarkodie on the day, not a me organizer, even if you were tipped to win, nature Charlie, artist of the artist of the pioneer. The man Charlie shine a bear call stab. Yeah, they open me that's review. Me, I know the system, and this will be time. Oh, person will be more looking bad, person will be more looking cheap, on betting that who is there, who is next to win, or who is likely to win next. Kwame Ejean is there. Yeah, he deserves it. Let's push him there. But I'm not saying it is like that.
Okay.
What I'm saying is it could be like that.
High.
Yes, it could be like that. And again, I'm still maintaining say Sarkodie thinks his brother Stonebwoy and Chatawale. So to me, you bibi. Emma ne kama obetima beye ni bi. Enti Emma mesoso so. And Sarkodie wouldn't want it to be like, okay, yeah, we musano. Only aba be rely on you. Now so as a ojumamu. Then find say mu department back home. Na bibi nti bia management of the company na o boss bi say see they are sideline way. Who is a sideline way now to be na camera na chi no ne yemfra okra na o na ho. And the camera back no so ma na o kita too because your sideline character be to chere say una bit my adman. Aha, your unkofo ni bi what's up. That's what Sarkodie is preventing. And this I'm saying I could hate or I could miss, but I'm putting it out.
Yeah.
Me, I think that's what Sarkodie is doing.
Sounds right too.
But Sarkodie won't show it on country. That's why he won't even go on any interview platform. Now could say I had an Kinsak posti VGMA. Maybe he wouldn't be able to fake it. On me intro or not so the other person Becca. I'm waiting say that one day Shatta and Stonebwoy they'll be admitted back into the scheme. We will see all these things manifesting. On that day, almost any post or post SAC natives vote for me because I know how SAC natives worship Sarkodie. When he says vote, they will vote, right. They'll go all out. But the king hasn't said he should vote. Who will vote? SAC natives, I know them. SAC natives will make my trendy. Sarkodie for VGM artists will make my trendy for 1 solid week non-stop. That one I trust them. SAC natives, one person almost trending SAC for artist of the year. They can trend for 1 solid week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, now watch one and I know they can do it. Why are they not doing it? Because their man is not showing interest.
Okay.
And he is doing it in solidarity of Stonebwoy and Chatawale. Okay. SAC won't say this. But me, I feel very well because I asked myself, why? What happened? Nothing has happened to him. With VGMA, Sarkodie, nothing has happened to him. On the year and crown, why we need the top most no, or we need Bakumi Enubi. The previous year, and some last year, on the winning artist of the decade.
Okay.
It's a main partner, all of a sudden, as a Sarkodie and VGMA Puda. He seems not to even smell VGMA. Ebia, this Saturday.
Okay.
Ebia, baby video, but I've gone through the list. I'm advertised. Sarkodie's name is not in. Unless maybe he's a surprise artist. But I'm advertising on Xylophone FM. I mentioned all the 30 artists performing. Sarkodie's name is not in. What is happening? This is what I am thinking. I could miss, I could hit. But let's see how it goes in the near future.
You miss and as a hit. Yem funnel. See, I say. What hit it? You never missed. You share the effects and the dangers covering this whole thing. Or should they be? Do you think so it could affect Sarkodie?
No.
And then the brand?
You see, Sarkodie's brand at the moment, they're very aye. Say, on no company or solid, and call solid and sank or yes, any. So the product life cycle, and start it. Na kwa hetiria na ese no. Sarkodie na strategic, and na smart. Intina still, what could you see no ogusu jina ho no. Sankanye sampo anka sanka wa start it. Yes, any. But because he is strategic, because he knows how to play the game, he is still like this. Say ya no ye. Into no at this stage. And it's if the Stonebwoy and the Chatawale omumpoa, ya should be ye more free mumpono. If they are still active doing that, no a young free mo. Rich day they by send the movie. And I'll be po eka say even unyo be top of the mind. Unyo be follow activities we pan business last year when we need Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. To have it my boss Sarkodie didn't call him say Kwame Ejean winning. Yes, because he's always there. He's here now. You getting me? It's all those things. It's almost showing canon. He is releasing his album, no pressure. That is what he is working. And then you the social media handles, videos, new photos are all to go on. Oh, why you still love the brand? But he still wants his brothers to feel say, guys, I have not been taken out of the scheme, but I don't fancy because at this stage Anka Stonebwoy is Shatawale Neon. Anka Sarkodie is the don.
Yes,
Anka Vodafone one game. Anka ono na bibia omo be rely on him. Sack show, oni sack appearance, oni sack. But na onye. And at this stage, me sure Sarkodie because of be no because of be sika dey be dem crowd on be because they will need some color for it.
Yeah.
Because the other guys are not there. But na onye. What do you think he's doing it for? I still want to insist it could be a hit or a miss. But with my knowledge, my years of experience in this game, I'm between the Onitsha Charterhouse, the boy is doing this in solidarity to what is happening to Shatawale and Stonebwoy. Therefore, fans of Shatawale and Stonebwoy, therefore Stonebwoy and Shatawale himself, they should always know, say, he won't say it, but he's doing it for them. Said that to be tables ne tenia. Omun shey no omun so head omun semo kamu. Omun shey no omun shey omun actions me. Because me, he's doing it for them. Thank you for the world so sweet.
That's so beautiful. Let me put you on the spot. Adina, Dinah Hamilton, Kiddy, Kwame Eugene, Medical, Sarkodie himself.
Well, I still think it is between it's among three people between year two. It is among three people. Kiddy, Kwame Eugene, and Adina don't count that. Kiddy, Kwame Eugene, and Dinah Hamilton.
Okay.
By next Monday, I bet I say no move back on winning.
Kiddy. Kwame Eugene. Dinah Hamilton.
Yes.
Medical.
That is medical, in fact. Not to say Juma. In this game, politics count. Politics need favor medical. And this thing, I'm saying it without fear of favor. In this whole showbiz space, Roland would deal that sort of music politics. That's how Roland calls it, and I agree with him. The music politics don't favor medical. And about Juma, about the hits and things, but the music politics ain't favor Nintino. Only me winning. Music politics need favor. No. It's not as if say and also I really betting a brand is and a brand necessary. But music politics no. I know or no no music politics then say yes sir kakra. Oh boss it's in Namwe office. Medical doesn't have that time.
Okay.
He's making his money from elsewhere. It's how music politics me play. The number be catch say El Chemano.
Sure.
All
right, so thank you very much. Also, you're part of it. Just drop your comment in our comment section. I think you patch out. Most subscribe to Summer Flex TV.
Yeah, Chemu say I said next month ending. Channel ninya 100k views. The catch up. Obi believe will be an obeshe show for the first time now. They should do the needful.
Okay, and I feel so I want to submit me. I share I'm Obi and so Nensa Akanedi. Wait to drop your comment. Send me kind medical. Kiddy, Kwame Eugene, Sarkodie, Dinah Hamilton, and our face, Adina, baby. Omo ahwa na obi ahwa obetimi afa no obetimi drop on na ato adwumadi so aseda kese en come reach the finest boy flex currency the digital rasta lapigi in team chemo and our face the big nation president Nana Reagan sexy don tina baby omo nyina kan we and our face the producer the man himself Roland Amate event
and I bet you an account
menen beka with
ko juma am na ide
menen beka with you
timi mo bi nya juma freezer
yeah Matias brasa me so see that was and our face congratulations again. Saturday.
So say Saturday na ekwa ye no.
Yes, Saturday.
And more details na yanko.
Saturday and finally you see mommy you be no Kaswa Accra Kaswa Road Galilea Market West End University hon man you be no tin o hon na obinya time e say obetimi pass through na wabana yakoja fefe anya sanso 0546445857 the number
number no so mo fanya there how many tiers
location
RSVP
yes RSVP and I say momo VP and also can yes I can and I happy belated birthday to the main man Canadian burger Mr. Bernard
Ekuban o kan say
Ekuban
Gaza Ekuma
Ekuban but what about stay safe, be good and be blessed. It is peace and we are out.
Shalom.